Today we're gonna make 3 chicken freezer meals for the Instapot. It's gonna be so easy. We're gonna do a little bit of batch cooking because these are gonna be meals that we're gonna eat throughout the month. This is actually going to make 5 total meals to put into your freezer. The first one, creamy Italian chicken. We're actually gonna double this, so we're gonna make 2, so sort of like batch cooking. The next one is a recipe that I found from a YouTuber that I watch. It's called Coconut Curry Chicken. And then we're gonna make 2 of the world's easiest possible freezer meals. There's 2 ingredients, not even lying to you. First things first, you gotta prep the Ziploc bag. So get yourself a baggie, some Sharpie, and make sure they have a little place where you can write on them. So I'm just gonna write what the meal is and how long it takes to cook, and any other details, like if you need to add rice later, or if you need to add any type of cheese later, since these are Instapot and we don't necessarily put dairy in them while the meal is cooking. First recipe for freezer meals, creamy Italian chicken. So I've got my thing marked. Can you see it? I've got the name of it, how long it goes in the Instapot, and anything I need to add after the fact. So we're gonna make 2 of these today, doubling, batch cooking. So the things that we're gonna need, my trusty assistant Jason is here. Say hi. Can they see your face? So we need chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast. We need some zesty Italian dressing packs. We need some cream of chicken soup. I'm just gonna use the tall one since I technically need 2 cans. We need some chicken broth. Chicken broth. And that's it to start.
And a measuring container to pretend like we're measuring.
Hashtag kitchen hacks. When you're making frozen meals with chicken, you're gonna freeze it anyways. So just get the frozen chicken. Genius. So we're gonna get our bags together. We're gonna put 4 chicken breasts in each bag. Come on, Jason, give me 4.
1. It's 2. That's 3. That's 4.
Bag number 1. Bag number 2.
We have 1. We have 2.
Those stuck together?
We have 2, but this is 1. So that makes 3, 4. There it is.
All right. So we have 2 bags filled up with chicken. So next ingredient, zesty Italian packs. Just get these like this. We're gonna put 1 in each. Jason, do you wanna put the other one in one bag? I'll put this one in this bag. Oh man, I didn't tear it good enough. Sprinkled in. Go ahead. Culinary genius. Opening up a can of, every time I pour this out, looks really healthy. Since I got the tall can here of cream of chicken soup, we're gonna put half in each. Watch these measuring skills. Oh, dadgum, I got some on the outside of the bag. What do you think, guys? Think that was half? Waste not, want not, scrape it out. Good enough. 2 cups chicken broth. We're just gonna go ahead and measure it since I got this out. And I just get the boxed chicken broth. 1, 2. Now when you pour this in, since you already put your chicken in there, it should stay standing. Make sure it doesn't fall over though. 1, 2. I need to get something to wipe that off. And this is nearly 4 cups. So watch that. Waste not, want not. And literally that's it. So, got these all ready to go. Wipe up any mess you made. Zip these up and make sure you get any of the air out. Now, if you're worried about storage, you can flatten this bag out and make it like this, right? That way it lays, oh my God. That way it lays flat in your freezer and you can stack up more. Or Instapot hack, you wanna freeze it sitting up like this. That way it goes right into the Instapot. It's not a weird oblong shape that doesn't fit. 2 done. Zip it up, air it out. Voila. What was that? 5 minutes?
5 to 8, yes.
Prep time. Done. Literally all you're gonna do, if you want to, you can thaw this bag overnight in your refrigerator, pop it into your Instant Pot. It's gonna cook for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how big your chicken pieces are. I usually go for 25 minutes, and then with meat, frozen meat, I like to let it pressurize. Now, these also can go into the Instant Pot frozen, just like this. Run a little water over this bag and that'll get it pliable so you can just slide it out and it goes straight into the Instant Pot, just like that. 25 minutes from frozen. Nailed. Cauliflower curry chicken. Next on the prep list. So I got this recipe from a YouTuber that I watch pretty frequently. I'll link any of those videos that I got some of these recipes from in the description down below. So pretty easy here. This is what we're gonna use. Jason is gonna take us on the quest.
First thing, some more frozen chicken breasts.
Gotta get your head in there.
It's hard to accomplish. Cauliflower.
You have to get your head in there.
Garlic powder. Onion powder. Curry powder. Coconut milk powder.
No, it's not powder.
Not powder. Rotel. That's it.
Okay, full disclosure, I've never actually cooked this before, but it sounded pretty delicious and it would be a great way if you have some random bag of frozen cauliflower in your freezer that you don't really know what to do with. Mark on here what the recipe is and how long it takes in the Instant Pot. Cooking it from frozen, 25 minutes. All right, let's go. 4 things of chicken breasts.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Does that look like enough? Is there another one in there? Go ahead and throw that other one in there.
Boneless chicken.
You just gotta decide how big you want your chicken breast to be. Bag of frozen cauliflower. You can put more cauliflower in there if you want to, but we have a bag, so that's what we're gonna go with. Bag of cauliflower. Can of Rotel. And I'm gonna leave it undrained so there's liquid in here, because you always want to make sure there's some sort of liquid in your Instant Pot or it'll give you that burn notice, and nobody likes that. Voila. 1 can of coconut milk.
Milk of coconut.
Woo-hoo-hoo. And mark my words, I never use a measuring spoon, but we did find the tablespoon, so they called for 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I figured that might be a seasoning that you would want to measure. We did forget to tell you one thing. Where are you? I got a big thing of it. Too organized. Paprika. Like I said, I don't measure anything normally, so I couldn't find my teaspoon, so we're just gonna... What about that? You think that's a teaspoon?
Yeah, about that much.
That looks good to me. Neck yourself if you looked at that circle. We also need a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder. Shaka, shaka, shaka. I think that's it. Got the chicken, can of coconut milk.
Check.
The bag of frozen cauliflower.
Check.
Can of Rotel.
Check.
Curry powder.
Check.
Onion powder.
Check.
Garlic powder.
Check.
Paprika.
Check.
And let's seal this bad boy up. So probably how we're gonna eat this is with rice and, I don't know, salad or something.
Garlic bread.
Ooh, yeah, garlic bread. Everything goes with garlic bread, right? So just air it out. And this one, since there's a bunch of seasonings in there, I'm actually going to do a little shake to get them worked in a little bit. Just make sure it's all sealed up before you do that. I'm gonna store mine upright because I just wanna be able to stick it right into the Instant Pot and have it ready to go. 25 minutes from frozen, nailed it. Third meal, ready to go. So glad you made it to the easiest part of this because that wasn't easiest enough for all of us. This is literally gonna be the 2 easiest Instant Pot freezer meal recipes that you will ever make in your entire life. Jason and I were just talking about how busy we all are and it takes so long just to prep meals and get them all ready. And so that's really honestly what these are for, is so that your meals are already prepped and ready to go and all you have to do is throw it in the Instant Pot. 2 ingredients. I wasn't lying. I can't remember if I said it earlier or not. 2 ingredients for these. Number 1, chicken. Ready? We're gonna go 4 pieces of chicken in each of these 2. This one's gonna be the green chicken, and this one's gonna be avocado chicken.
Green chicken, you need chicken, and you need green.
Salsa, green salsa. We're gonna chime that in. So we're gonna add 4 pieces of chicken and 1 can
of green Herdes salsa.
Write it on the bag. Instant Pot, 20 minutes. Let's prep.
Chicken and green.
Four pieces of chicken. Do you guys ever have trouble opening these? You know, you just bang the lid on the floor and it pops open. Ready? Oh, and look at that. Easy as pie. Done.
Chicken
Oh, smell
and
that.
green. Let me smell. Ooh. Now, if you wanted to get fancy, you could add maybe some things like a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of cilantro. That's all I got for you.
Green chicken. Avocado chicken. 20 minutes. Instant Pot. 2 ingredients. Ready, go. Are you gonna tell us what this is?
Herdes guacamole salsa. One thing you do not need for avocado chicken:
Avocados.
avocados.
Dump it in. So I got all the air out of these bags and they are ready to go. Avocado chicken, green chicken. 100% most easiest freezer meals ever. Chicken in the Instant Pot. Now, go ahead. Jason gave the dog some water. Why on earth, Jason, if it only take me that long to prepare these, why would I ever need to go to the work to prepare these to put these in the freezer?
In advance? Why would you want to do this in advance?
Yeah, why would it matter?
Why would you not want to? So easy. Even a child could cook it, which they will.
Right, so if you have a busy night one night and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't get home from whatever you're doing because you're taking care of yourself, mom. Whatever you're doing, you can always just be like, hey husband, or hey teenagers, I need you to go down to the freezer and get out the avocado chicken, pop it in the Instant Pot for 20 minutes. You get home, dinner's ready. What do you eat these with? Burritos. What else do you eat these with? Tacos. What else do you eat these with?
Chips and salsa.
Oh, chips and salsa?
Can you see me? Can't see me.
Chips and salsa are good.
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa are good. But really you can cook these, make them with anything. If you like chicken and rice, but you think chicken and rice is boring, chicken and rice. That would be perfect to do with this. Anything you want, if you're looking for a budget-friendly meals or anything, it's literally chicken and a can of salsa. Done.
If you're going on the health cake, you could shred it up. Shred it up maybe in advance, toss it in a salad.
Yes, salads. These would be great on salads. Get a little bit of Southwest salad action going.
literally 5 dinners done in probably 5 minutes.
No, it took 20 minutes. You gotta get the ingredients out of the cabinet. Thanks for joining us. We're just gonna take all these meals and put them in the freezer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you don't have room in your actual freezer, put them in your deep freezer, put them wherever you want, give one to a friend, double a batch and donate one to a pregnant lady or to a COVID family or to your mom's or something. I don't know. Who are you gonna donate one to? He's gonna donate it to himself. Well, wouldn't be real life if I didn't have to do the dishes before we started.